Let's learn how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as divest. 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 Let's see its meaning. It's a verb. It means to deprive someone of power, rights, or possessions. Let's see its use in sentences. The company decided to divest its non-profitable subsidiaries to focus on core operations. She plans to divest herself of unnecessary possessions before moving to a smaller house. Investors were encouraged to divest from industries that contribute to environmental harm. He was forced to divest his shares in the company due to a conflict of interest. Let's see more sentences. The court ordered the individual to divest himself of his illegally acquired property. Many people choose to divest from fossil fuels as part of ethical investment strategies. She tried to divest herself of the negative emotions that had been holding her back. The new CEO plans to divest underperforming units to streamline the company's operations. Thanks for watching.